Hi, this is episode 15 of Pentestips, and this episode is called Don't Break It. Mifare is a family of high-frequency 13.56 MHz RFID cards built by Panasonic/NXP that fall into the ISO category 14443A. There are many types of cards within the family, each with different storage sizes, encryption, and capabilities. Mifare Classic, Ultralight, DESFire, NTAG, and so on. All Mifare cards share the same basic structures: UID, SIK/ATQS, and memory space. Card configuration is defined in the block 0 or manufacturer block. In original cards, the block 0 cannot be modified. This was a key element in preventing card cloning. Batch contents could be changed, but the manufacturer block and the UID could not be changed. Now, modifiable or magic cards are available for almost every type of Mifare card, which allows the manufacturer block to be modified. However, with great power comes great responsibility. If the block 0 is improperly configured, the card can be bricked. Irreversibly broken. The most common way to break a magic card is with a bad BCC value. The BCC is a checksum value for the UID, which acts as a double check to ensure that the UID is correct. If the BCC is wrong, the card is no longer detectable, and so cannot be read or modified. Let's open a Mifare Classic 1K card with a 4-byte UID dump in the X editor. We can clearly see the UID value in the block 0. If we want to modify the UID, instinctively we just change the UID values, let's say to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, the BCC value is derived from the UID value. So if we change the UID without changing the BCC, when we make the change, the card will be bricked. So we must calculate the BCC value for our new UID. The new BCC value is calculated by XORing each byte with the result of the previous XOR. Don't worry, there are many tools online to perform this task. If we input our new UID, 0x12345678, as a X string, we are given the BCC value of 0x08. So we change the original card's BCC from 0xFC to 0x08 and write the card. Now, we've got a new UID without breaking the card. If you're manually updating UIDs, by using the proxmark for example, you must have the correct BCC calculated, or you will break the card. Once again, many tools can make this calculation automatically. On Android we have the Mifare Classic tool that has a BCC calculator, and on Windows and Linux we can use the libnfc mf setuid tool. For more information about magic cards, check out the Lab for One Academy article, Know Your Magic Cards. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.